Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable dark mode in the Amazon app on your iPhone or iPad. As you may already know, the Amazon app does not have an option to enable dark mode in the app settings. However, you can use a workaround to achieve this. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, tap on Accessibility. In this menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Per App Settings. Here, tap on Add App. Now, find Amazon on the list and tap on it. In this menu, scroll down to tap on Smart Invert. Then, choose the On option. Now, switch to the Amazon app and it should appear in dark mode. This works for any app you like. If you want to turn this off, simply return to the Accessibility menu and choose Default. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.